this dream, starting from the connection. This dream, born for innovation. China Aviation Optical Electrical, in the pursuit of perfection, intelligent interconnect. Closely linked light, electricity, and fluids. Integrate technology into our daily life. In order to achieve this dream, China Aviation Optical Electrical has been making efforts to innovation along with development for over 40 years. With continuous progress, precision connectors have been delivered to every corner of the world. Entering into global supply chains, China Aviation Optical Electrical is the largest and most professional high-tech enterprises engaged in researching and producing highly reliable optical, electrical, and fluid connectors, which also providing total connectivity solutions. Passing through constantly creating and expanding, we blended rich experience and most advanced equipment in here. By grasping the most subtle design and most accurate control of production processes, we connected products by highly reliable, professional, and integrated ways. Successfully applied to the Shenzhou series of spacecraft, lunar exploration, aircraft carriers, and carrier-based aircraft. No matter in aerospace, ship weapons, or nuclear industry, China Aviation Optical Electrical, committed to connect the future with technology, move the world forward with invisible force. No matter in data transmission and communications equipment, rail transportation equipment, petroleum equipment, new energy vehicles, or electrical equipment, new energy equipment, industrial equipment, and medical equipment. China Aviation Optical Electrical, connect you and me, can create intelligent internet for the new world. Committed to innovation, and who can break through the barriers. Research is being regarded as the cornerstone of our company. With a strong R&D team and continuous R&D investment, our original technology can be fully developed. Thus, continuous bring new technological breakthroughs for the industry. We keep pace with technology, quality, and the times. Our advanced test platform ensured reliable products for customers. Customers' satisfaction is our priority. We devoted to developing products that are responsive to market demands, according to the market's change, to meet customers' requirements. We obtain more than 250,000 kinds of connectors. In Luoyang, Shenyang, Xi'an, Qingdao, Shenzhen, Dongguan, Nanjing, Chengdu, Germany, Korea, and other places. Research centers and technical service support organization are spread all over. From United States, Brazil, to Russia, Brazil, whether developed or emerging markets. China Aviation Optical Electrical won the trust of customers and the world. Whether in the sky, the ocean, or land, there is always a manifestation of our superior quality. Restart with a dream. In a world of infinite broad, in the colorful profusion of latitude, our professional, reliable, and high-end connectivity products enable customers to have a more sustainable, competitive advantage. And we continue to exceed as you escort. All things are connected. China Aviation Optical Electrical are concentrated on the meticulous, precise connection.